Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at these options that are going to expire. Go EVs first up. So with Go EV, I'm in the money. So let's try to roll it out and roll it down if possible. Alright, so $8 put is being rolled out to another $8 put. Not really much of a credit. Let's try to go out a little further. Nope, doesn't look good. And keep going and going and going. Oh, that's not good. Let's try to go here. Let's go try the 24th expiration date. Alright, it's not that good. See if it'll go through. Have to go back and check on that. Alright, now we have a deeper in the money put, 12.5. Currently trading at 6, like half of that. I don't expect this to go through at all. This is not going to be good. So it looks like I could get a credit, potentially, maybe. Let's see if this will work out. Hopefully it will. This will extend the risk out to hold some more capital on the sidelines while this option works. But finding the right expiration and credit combination is the key here. So you want to have a decent, this is not ideal, but it could work. Okay guys, tell me what you guys think Go EV. Next up we have Palantir. Palantir, I love this company. Looks like these puts are in the money, but the calls are good to go, so I'm going to let them expire 100% credit. But let's see if we can roll these out to another expiration. Hopefully we'll get a little bit of credit, and we'll see how that works out. Let's roll it out another week, and not bad. How about another, okay, I guess we'll try to go with that. Alright, see if any of this executed. Looks like at least, looks like it did, so that's good. Alright, next we have Tattooed Chef. Tattooed Chef has been slammed recently. Very disappointed in the stock, but I love the company. I like the product. And September 17th is already out there, so not a problem for expiration. Okay, so that's it for this account. Anyway, guys, be sure to subscribe for more options trading and wealth building techniques. Thanks for watching.